It's Friday, the 26th of June 2020. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts now. Splash Mountain is being rethemed to the Princess and the Frog movies. It's been officially announced. This is happening at Disneyland Resort and Walt Disney World Resort. The change has been in development for apparently a year, and it's been announced early due to the controversy around the incredibly racist movie Song of the South that the attraction is based upon. As it's still with Imagineering, we have no time frame for knowing when this is going to actually be rethemed. Disneyland has postponed their reopening, which was due to be on July 17th. Now we have no idea. Tokyo Disneyland announced that July 1st is going to be its opening date, and Disneyland Paris announced July 15th is going to be their opening dates. Walt Disney World's new Park Pass reservation system has opened this week with a whole bunch of technical glitches. Disney also stated they have planned to rewrite and refurbish Epcot's iconic Spaceship Earth ride. Australia's first theme park to reopen, SeaWorld, reopened today. The UK government has stated that their parks will be allowed to reopen. Oh, that is it for this week's Theme Park News in a minute. We'll be back next Friday with another Theme Park News in a minute, so tune in for that. In the meantime, check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut Insta, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.